It's a done deal. Hulu has given a direct-to-series 8-episode order to a Veronica Mars revival. The series, with Kristen Bell reprising her role as the title character, is slated to premiere in 2019. Bell first confirmed the news on social media, see the video below. In addition, Hulu has landed streaming rights to the complete series in a new deal with original series producer Warner Bros. TV. The agreement gives Hulu's VOD rights to all past episodes of the original Veronica Mars. Seasons 1 to 3 will be available for streaming, as well as the 2014 feature film, beginning in 2019. The hour-long limited series hails from the cult faves original's creator Rob Thomas, who will pen the first episode. In the revival, spring breakers are getting murdered in Neptune, thereby decimating the seaside town's lifeblood tourist industry.
After Mars Investigations is hired by the parents of one of the victims to find their son's killer, Veronica is drawn into an epic 8-episode mystery that pits the Enclave's wealthy elites, who would rather put an end to the month-long bacchanalia, against a working class that relies on the cash influx that comes with being the West Coast's answer to Daytona Beach. Veronica Mars is not going to interfere with Bell's duties as star of the NBC comedy series The Good Place.
Thomas executive produces with Bell, Diane Ruggiero Wright and Dan Etheridge. Sponduli Productions produces in association with Warner Bros. Created by Thomas, Veronica Mars was a critical darling and developed a devoted following during its 3-season run from 2004 to 2007 on UPN and then on the CW. Fueled by fan support, a successful Kickstarter campaign for a movie sequel launched in 2013 by Thomas and Bell raised $3.7 million in a matter of hours.
The film, toplined by Bell and featuring a number of other original cast members, was released by Warner Bros. In 2014. The same year, Play It Again, Dick, a Veronica Mars digital spin-off series from Thomas, premiered on the CW's Seed platform. It featured series co-star Ryan Hansen attempting to put together a Dick Casablancas-centered spin-off of Veronica Mars. Hulu is the second streaming service to pursue a limited series revival of a beloved CW series.
Netflix recently brought back Gilmore Girls for 4 follow-up movies, also from the original creator and featuring the original stars and also produced by Warner Horizon. https://www. Instagram.com/p/bn8_0ij_bisp/ taken by Kristen Annabelle.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.